Hey, what's up guys, V here. So today we are going to be taking a look at the Poetic Revolution case. And also, this is a turtle skin. Never tried these out before, but this is a turtle skin case. Also from Poetic Turtle Skin Galaxy, and this is for the 10.1A. I know it's an old tablet, but I never got around to getting protection for it, and Poetic was nice enough, kind enough to send this out to me, even though this is an older tablet. Got this one last year. I did unbox this one also on the channel, so I will be right back. Give me a second. Okay guys, I'm back. Here we go. So we're going to start out with the Revolution. Again, we got tab 10.1A. Another shout out to Poetic. They didn't have to send this to me. This is an older tablet. Can't believe I didn't have protection on this earlier. Let's get this off here. One of my boys uses this tablet, and I'm surprised it has not been dropped yet. We're going to take a look at the case. We got a protective screen there for it. Let's get this open here. All right, so you gotta kind of pull these corners up and then pull from here and pull it out. It's a really tight fit trying to get that off. So let's bring this here. Line it up. Usually with the Poetic cases, you'll put the phone or the tablet in this case, in this part of the case first, and then you load it up into the actual body. Yep, it's backwards. Sure. It's tough to get on, man. I love these tight fits, but this is really tight. There we go. Not so bad. Alright, let me just pop it on. So plan on having this on there for a while. Get this edge here. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice fit. Very nice fit. It's tough to get on, but it is worth it. The Poetic branding here. Kickstand. There. A different angle there. So it's that. Pop it there to let it down. So it's like it was a little tough to deck. So you just kind of give it a push there and to let it down. And that clips back into place. You got your Revolution branding there. And that is the Poetic Revolution Galaxy 10.1A. Give me a second. I'm going to get this off and I'm going to bring in the turtle skin. Bear with me. Alright guys, I'm back. I got that case off. It was tough to get off. It is a really nice fit on that case. And by the way, the screen is very responsive. I know sometimes with those screen protectors, you don't get a lot of play, but it is really responsive. So this is the turtle skin. So this is my very first time trying one of these out. Let's see here, thin wraparound form, premium quality, timeless design, Poetic. So let's get this open. Again, I've never tried one of these cases on any tablets, so it's first for me. Okay. What I love that packaging. Oh yeah, it's like a rubber, got a little texture there. See that, the ridges? Just look like a ton easier. You got your little speaker holes there. Cutouts for the microphone, or for the charge cable and everything. Let's see here. It's pretty simple here. Let's just pop this in real quick. Oh, this is nice. I like that. Very easy to install. There, that's it. That's all there is to that. A little Poetic branding there, and a little pattern on the back for grip. Camera cut out there. And it looks like on these is not like the phones, so they have the lift all the way around, and it's kind of indented on the screen. But if you lay it flat, it's still protecting the screen because it's raised all the way around. So there's your charge cable. Put right there. Headphone jack, microphone right there. Looks like you are all set. So there we go. That's the turtle skin from Poetic for the Galaxy 10.1a. I'm gonna bring that other one in back in here. Set it by the side. There's the one with the screen protector there. And actually, let me go ahead and show you these. I should have showed you this while I was on it. Here's a dust flap for the charge cables. Headphone jack, microphone. So we have the Revolution and the turtle skin for the Galaxy 10.1a for Samsung. Until next time, guys, this is V. I'm out.